really happy with Bill's performance tonight. She took it and she put a gospel trick on it. And, you know, it started easy and then she took it straight to church. Endless Love.
Wow, what a song. That song just makes me cry. You did a great job. Patty is really just so incredible to watch. I love watching her.
Who are you talking to? Hey! Who are you talking to? Are you talking to that baby? Yeah. That pretty baby. Are you talking to that pretty baby? Hey! Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, pretty baby.